What are you doing?
Painting.
Let's see. Ooh, what is that?
Flower.
Sunflower?
Flower, not a sunflower.
This is your class picture. Grade 1. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, it's good.
That's why easily.
Hmm?
I think easily that's why.
Put more water.
I will.
Wow. Should I change the water as well?
Okay.
For the moon? Flower pavilion.
Yeah, sunflower.
I think you need a brush, a new one.
And you call paint. Because my yellow is running out of here.
Babe, that was your ano, babe, your old watercolor.
Yeah, I know.
Yung new one mo nasa bag ata.
Yeah, but what if we need it in case?
Then use the new one. If it runs out, then I will buy another new one. Oh, it's nice. Looks nice. Hi. Your hair is so long. It's nice.
This is only my first time painting, but I have never painted. I used to paint.
Hmm?
I used to paint, but now I don't, so this will be my first paint.
Yeah. You don't remember when you were 4 years old? You used to paint at the wall? When we were at Oreo's house? Huh?
Wait, that?
You painted the wall.
Now I feel sorry.
It's okay.
How old is Oreo now?
I think 2019 is 1 year old. 2021, 2023, 24. I think he is 6 years old or 7.
This is
Ay, no. Diba you're 8? 7, 6. I think he's 5.
Oh.
That doggy is 5 years old. Are you done?
No, I'm gonna paint the third flower.
Oh. Okay. It's nice. Buy tayo ng yung paintbrush. Watercolor brush.
Frankie stop. I saw Frankie stop.
His height extends to heaven. His reach reaches everywhere. His age is evermore. He is higher than the highest, greater than the great. No one could ever. He's more mightier than the mightiest. He reigns from above. He is the all-time undefeated, undefeated champion. Oh, yay! 3 nice flowers. Hi.